Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Open QuickShare on your PC and make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Sign into the same account or permit guest access because QuickShare needs identity to list devices. Once done, set the app to visible and allow file access and notifications. This avoids prompts mid-transfer. Make sure both devices are in range and unlocked, and keep the sending device screen active so the connection completes without timeouts. Now you pick what to share. Open File Explorer or Photos, select multiple files, and use drag and drop into QuickShare or right-click and choose Share right arrow QuickShare. Next, pick the receiving device from the list. Names and icons help you avoid sending to the wrong machine. Once selected, choose Transfer Mode, Auto Accept for trusted devices, or Ask every time for security. Wait for the handshake. QuickShare negotiates a direct peer link for faster transfers whenever possible. To finish, accept the transfer on the receiving PC and note where file save downloads is common. Keep an eye on the progress bar and then verify files open correctly. For large items, confirm sizes match. If the transfer stalls, cancel and retry because retries often clear transient network issues. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart QuickShare and toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if problems persist. Reauthorize app permissions in settings so the service can create the peer connection and write.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.